In a referendum on June 23, 2016, Britons voted to leave the European Union. This decision has unexpectedly created a situation of uncertainty and insecurity for almost 3.5 million EU27 nationals residing in the UK, as well as British citizens living in other EU member states. Brexit negotiations started in June 2017, and the rights of EU citizens were one of the three issues negotiated. It is particularly politically sensitive for many of the CEE countries due to great numbers of nationals living in the UK. The numbers are significant especially for Central Eastern European states. Over 900,000 Poles, 310,000 Romanians, 185,000 Lithuanians and 93,000 Slovaks are facing the threat of losing their rights to freely live and work in Great Britain. In case of some states, the percentage of people living in the UK is up to 6.29%, Lithuania, and 4.60%, Latvia, which makes maintaining the rights of migrants absolutely crucial. Brussels demanded a full guarantee of rights for European citizens living in the UK, British citizens living in the EU, as well as the families of both groups on the basis of EU law. The UK denied to unilaterally guarantee the rights of EU citizens. After 532 days, an agreement between Brussels and London could finally be reached, and the British government has finally guaranteed rights for EU27 nationals residing in the UK. However, it is clear that in a situation of continuous uncertainty, many migrants would wish to secure a safe position and obtain British citizenship. Nearly 30,000 EU nationals applied to become British citizens in the 12 months following the referendum, almost double the number of the previous year. The increased number of acquisitions of British citizenship is especially significant in the case of Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, and Slovakia. This raises the important issue of dual citizenship being forbidden in some countries. For instance, Lithuanians who choose to obtain British citizenship lose their EU citizen rights to move, reside, work and study in the European Union, including their home country. The net migration in the UK from the 8 Central and Eastern European countries has decreased almost to zero. Net migration over 12 months from CEE countries by the end of March 2017 was just 5,000, the lowest since 2004 and a sharp decline compared to 39,000 from the previous year. Net migration to the UK in general decreased. Representatives of the Polish minority in the UK suggest that the issue of returning is present in migrants' discussion. They argue it is not only the Brexit as such, but also the general atmosphere in British society towards migrants that is pushing some of them to leave.